Welcome to the revised version of Piano Lesson Number 1. As with all of our lessons, you can click the link in the description box to easily download the free sheet music for Lesson Number 1. We absolutely do not require your email address or a credit card number. Simply click the link and download the sheet music you desire. It's that simple. Okay, here's today's lesson. If you haven't done so already, visit our channel's homepage to check out all the great lesson videos that we offer. And remember, we upload 3 new videos every week, so you'll always have an endless supply of exciting new content to help you boost your piano skills to the next level. The Piano Academy is dedicated to bringing you easy piano songs that you'll love playing while supercharging your ear and reading skills like no other channel can. All right. I'm Andrew, and thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for an endless supply of great online video lessons. Have a great day.